My dear friend, I invite you to close your eyes for just a moment and take a slow, deep breath. As you breathe in, feel the warmth and safety of this moment. As you breathe out, let go of any worry, any tension, and know that you are held, you are loved, and you are exactly where you need to be. Life is always responding to the beliefs we carry quietly in our hearts. These beliefs, gentle or firm, shape the way we experience each day. The wonderful news is that we can begin to choose beliefs that nurture us, support us, and help us shine. Right now, healing is happening, and every thought of love you give yourself is a step toward a brighter, more peaceful life. Today, I want to share 7 beliefs that shape your reality, not as rules, but as invitations to live with ease, joy, and self-compassion. As you hear them, allow each belief to settle softly in your heart. I believe I am worthy of love and all good things. I take a moment now to feel the truth of these words as they settle softly into my heart. I am worthy simply because I exist. I do not need to prove myself. I do not need to earn anyone's approval, and I do not need to be perfect. I am already enough exactly as I am. Every part of me, the tender, the strong, the quiet, and the bold, is deserving of love, of joy, of peace, and of all the blessings that life can offer. I breathe in, and with each breath, I open to the knowledge that I am deeply loved by life itself. I release any thought that says I am unworthy, any memory that whispers that I am not enough. I lovingly replace these thoughts with affirmations of acceptance and grace. I am safe. I am cherished. I am fully supported by the universe in every way. I allow the love I give myself to flow freely, and I notice how this love changes everything around me. My relationships, my work, my health, and my daily experiences begin to reflect the care I offer within. I honor the small moments when I show myself kindness. I see the gentle choices I make each day, the ways I listen to my needs and nurture my spirit. These moments are powerful. They remind me that I am deserving of goodness simply by being me. I let go of guilt, comparison, and self-judgment, knowing that love does not come with conditions. I am learning to love myself more deeply with each breath, with each thought, and with each heartbeat. As I rest in this knowing, I feel a sense of peace settle over me. I am worthy. I am worthy of happiness. I am worthy of love. And as I hold this truth close, I recognize that every good thing that flows into my life is a reflection of the love I already carry within me. I am open. I am ready. I am deserving. And so it is, gently, beautifully, and naturally. I believe my thoughts create my experiences. I take a moment to feel the gentle truth of these words, letting them settle softly into my heart. Every thought I think is like a seed planted in the rich soil of my mind. Some seeds grow into flowers of peace, joy, and love, and others, when noticed and released, simply fade away. I am learning to choose my thoughts with care, knowing that the ones I nurture shape the life I am living today and the life I am creating for tomorrow. I lovingly observe my thoughts, noticing those that feel heavy, critical, or unkind. And with tender awareness, I let them go. I do not judge myself for thinking them. I simply release them and replace them with thoughts that uplift me, that honor my worth, and that encourage my growth. I speak to myself with kindness. I tell myself that I am capable, that I am deserving, and that I am always supported by the loving energy of the universe. I notice the small miracles that happen when I think with love. My days flow more smoothly, my relationships soften and bloom, and my heart feels lighter. Each positive thought is a gentle invitation to joy, each act of self-affirmation strengthens the quiet, knowing that life is responding to the love I give myself. I allow myself to imagine freely, to dream openly, and to create from a place of deep peace and trust. As I rest in this understanding, I feel a gentle warmth spreading through me. I am the keeper of my thoughts, and I choose those that serve my highest good. I allow my mind to be a sanctuary of love, hope, and possibility. And in this sacred space, I am reminded again that every thought of love I hold is a step toward a reality filled with beauty, abundance, and peace. I am healing. I am creating. I am fully supported. And so it is quietly, gracefully, and with ease. I believe it is safe for me to be myself. I take a deep, calming breath and feel these words resting softly in my heart. I am learning, moment by moment, that who I am, every thought, every feeling, every part of my being is already enough. I do not need to hide, to shrink, or to change in order to be accepted. I am safe just as I am. I honor my own presence and recognize that my life flows most beautifully when I allow my true self to shine. I gently release the old fear that says I must be someone else to be loved or valued. That fear has no power over me now. I am choosing, with tender awareness, to honor my feelings, my needs, and my truth. I listen to my inner voice, the quiet whisper of my heart, and I trust it completely. Each time I honor myself, I strengthen the knowledge that it is safe to exist in my fullness. I embrace my uniqueness with love. I see the beauty in the way I think, the way I express myself, the way I move through the world. I let go of comparison and judgment, knowing that my journey is mine alone and that it is perfect in its own unfolding. Every choice I make from a place of authenticity brings me closer to peace, joy, and harmony. I allow my life to reflect the love I hold for myself, knowing that when I am true to who I am, I attract experiences and people that honor and support me. As I rest in this gentle truth, I feel a sense of safety and freedom washing over me. I am allowed to be me, completely and unconditionally. I am worthy of existing in my own light. I am free to love myself fully, and I am free to express that love in every moment. I am healing. I am whole. I am safe. And so it is softly, gracefully, and naturally like a warm embrace surrounding my soul. I believe life supports me in every moment. I take a slow, deep breath and feel the comforting truth of these words settling into my heart. Even when I cannot see the entire path before me, I trust that life is guiding me with love and care. Every experience, every twist and turn is part of the gentle unfolding of my journey. I am never alone. I am held, protected, and supported by the loving energy of the universe, and I allow myself to rest in this knowledge with ease. I release the worry and the need to control every outcome, knowing that life always provides exactly what I need at the right time. I let go of resistance and fear, and I open myself to receive the abundant support that surrounds me. I notice the small miracles that appear each day, the kindness of a stranger, the warmth of the sun on my skin, the moments of quiet that bring me peace. Each one is a reminder that life is always working in my favor. I choose to see challenges as gentle invitations to grow, to learn, and to expand my understanding. Even when situations seem difficult, I trust that they are helping me step into a greater sense of love and awareness. I am patient with myself and with the process, knowing that life's timing is perfect and that every experience contributes to my healing and my joy. As I rest in this belief, I feel a sense of calm and reassurance washing over me. I am fully supported exactly where I am in exactly this moment. I trust the unfolding of my life and know that the universe conspires for my highest good. I am safe, I am guided, I am loved. And so it is gently, gracefully, and naturally, like a quiet stream flowing around every obstacle. carrying me toward peace and abundance. I believe my body is wise and healing. I take a slow, calming breath and feel the warmth of these words settling softly into my being. My body is my friend, my home, and my trusted guide. Every cell within me knows how to bring balance, peace, and harmony. I am learning to listen to its messages with gentle attention, to honor its needs with love, and to treat it with the kindness it has always deserved. I release any thoughts of criticism, judgment, or impatience toward my body. I let go of old patterns that tell me I must push, strain, or control in order to be worthy. Instead, I choose to embrace my body as it is right now, with gratitude for all that it does for me each day. I breathe into every part of myself, inviting ease, comfort, and deep nourishment. I trust that my body responds to the love I offer, and I allow it to heal naturally, gracefully, and fully. I notice the small ways my body communicates with me through sensations, feelings, and intuition. I honor these signals with gentle awareness, knowing that each one carries guidance, wisdom, and support. When I care for myself with patience and respect, I strengthen the harmony within, and I feel a quiet confidence grow in my heart. I am learning to trust the intelligence of my own being, and in that trust, I feel freedom, lightness, and a renewed sense of well-being. As I rest in this belief, I feel a soothing sense of alignment and wholeness. My body, my mind, and my spirit are working together in gentle cooperation. I allow healing to flow effortlessly through me, and I feel a deep sense of gratitude for the vitality that already exists within. I am honored in my own skin. I am loved in every cell. I am healing naturally, lovingly, and fully. And so it is softly, gracefully, and with ease as I nurture myself in every moment. I believe change can happen easily and gracefully. I take a deep, calming breath and feel the quiet truth of these words settling into my heart. I am learning to release the need to rush, to force, or to struggle against the natural flow of life. I allow change to arrive gently in its own perfect timing, knowing that every shift I make is part of a loving, unfolding journey. I trust myself, I trust the process, and I trust the guidance that flows through every moment. I release the fear and resistance that once made me believe that change must be difficult, uncomfortable, or painful. Instead, I choose to meet each new step with openness and curiosity. I notice that even the smallest, tender steps carry me forward in ways that feel effortless and harmonious. I honor my own pace, and I remind myself that growth is not measured by speed, but by the love and awareness I bring to each moment. I allow myself to embrace transformation with ease. When I release old patterns, limiting beliefs, and thoughts that no longer serve me, I feel a lightness spreading through my being. I am free to step into new ways of thinking, feeling, and living that support my highest good. I trust that the universe, life, and my own inner wisdom are guiding me toward experiences that are nurturing, joyful, and abundant. Each change, no matter how small, is a gentle invitation to more love, more clarity, and more peace in my life. As I rest in this belief, I feel a soft, comforting flow moving through me. I am able to release control and surrender to the natural unfolding of life. I am patient with myself. I am gentle with my journey. I am growing and evolving gracefully with love and trust in every step. Change is easy. Change is gentle. Change is beautiful. And so it is, quietly, naturally, and gracefully, like a river flowing steadily toward the ocean of my well-being. I believe love is my guiding force. I take a slow, deep breath and feel the warmth of this truth settling softly in my heart. Love is the energy that moves through every part of my being, touching my thoughts, my actions, and my interactions with the world. I am learning to let love guide me gently, to allow it to be the foundation of every choice I make, every word I speak, and every feeling I nurture within myself. I release any fear or doubt that love is ever scarce or conditional. I know now that love is abundant and infinite, and it flows freely to me and through me. I allow myself to receive love with an open heart, knowing that it is safe to feel, to trust, and to be nurtured by this energy. Every moment I focus on love, I am reminded of my own worth, my own beauty, and my own capacity to give and receive deeply and fully. I see the ways love guides my life in small, gentle ways. It encourages me to be patient with myself, to treat my body and mind with care, and to approach every situation with compassion. I allow love to soften my fears, to calm my worries, and to help me see the divine in every experience. I let love flow through my relationships, bringing harmony, understanding, and connection. I know that the more I let love lead me, the more my world reflects peace, joy, and ease. As I rest in this belief, I feel a quiet, steady strength within me. Love is my compass, my light, and my anchor. I trust it completely to guide me toward experiences that nourish my heart and my soul. I am love. I radiate love. I attract love. And I allow love to move through my life naturally, gracefully, and fully. And so it is, gently, beautifully, and completely, like sunlight spreading warmth across a peaceful morning, touching every corner of my being. And now, my dear friend, as we rest in the awareness of these 7 beautiful beliefs, I invite you to feel the quiet power that already lives within you. Each thought, each choice, and each moment of self-love is creating a life of peace, joy, and abundance. You are worthy. You are supported. You are safe. You are guided by love, and every step you take reflects the gentle unfolding of your highest good. Take a moment to feel gratitude for yourself, for the courage it takes to listen, to open your heart, and to nurture your spirit. Know that as you continue to practice these beliefs, your reality shifts naturally and beautifully. Healing is already happening. Growth is already happening. Love is already surrounding you. Carry this awareness with you as you move through your days. Speak to yourself with kindness, honor your own journey, and remember that life is always responding to the love and light you give yourself. You are creating a reality filled with beauty, harmony, and joy simply by being you. So, my dear one, go forward with gentle courage, with love guiding every step, and with the knowing that your life is unfolding perfectly. Trust yourself, trust the process, and trust the boundless love that is always with you. Good luck, and may your days be filled with peace, love, and endless blessings.